Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
Amla, aloe vera, and wheatgrass combine antioxidants and vitamins to support immunity and digestion. Amla delivers vitamin C, aloe provides soothing polysaccharides, and wheatgrass supplies chlorophyll and enzymes. This blend can reduce inflammation, aid bile flow, and support liver detox pathways when taken consistently. A typical serving provides vitamin C, vitamin E, chlorophyll, and anti-inflammatory compounds that complement each other. Start with 1 tablespoon aloe, 1 teaspoon. Use 1 tablespoon fresh aloe gel, 1 teaspoon amla powder, and 30 ml fresh wheatgrass juice to make a starter dose. Adjust amounts after a week based on tolerance. Blend on low speed for 10 to 15 seconds and strain to create a smooth 100 ml drink without fibrous pieces. Consume on an empty stomach 15 to 30 minutes before breakfast for best absorption, and wait 30 minutes before other supplements. Refrigerate leftovers up to 48 hours in an airtight jar at 4 degrees C. Do not exceed 2 tablespoons aloe or 60 ml wheatgrass per day without professional advice, and keep amla powder to 3 grams daily for typical use. Higher doses can cause laxative effects. Avoid this blend during pregnancy, breastfeeding, or if you take blood thinners like warfarin, because aloe can alter clotting and wheatgrass may interact with medications. Stop if you get digestive upset, rash, or dizziness and consult a healthcare provider. Track effects for 2 weeks to evaluate benefits and adjust safely.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.